In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Automation the car company Tycoon on PC. So for the first step we will open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done this, we are going to search this game up at Steam quickly before we can continue to another website to download it. So don't worry, we are not going to buy it at Steam. Quickly go to the Steam website and don't waste too much time on it because we are going to download it soon. So click on the game, after that scroll a little bit down, and as you can see this game is €26.99 on Steam. But don't worry, we have a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now search up the same game, Automation the car company Tycoon, and then click on search. Once you have done that, select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Now once you have found a version, then select it and open the game page. Now as you can see, we can already download this game for just €16.29 compared to the price on Steam of €26.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!